Today, I'm showing you how to make the best healthy colorful salad. No more boring salad for your celebration or at home. This is how I made my Easter salad bowl. Let's get into it. Bring out your farfalle pasta, red lentil beans, apples, carrot, green pepper, red pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, that's rudo, parsley, green peas, sausage, garlic, vegetable oil, mayonnaise, white vinegar, and lemon. Start by boiling your water, add a bit of salt and add your lentils. Boil for about 5 minutes, drain out all the water and set it aside. Go ahead and also boil your green peas. Next is your farfalle pasta. Let your water come to a boil, add salt. While the pasta is boiling, fry your sausage and set it aside with the oil you fried it in. Check your pasta. Don't overcook it so it can still have its shape and not get soggy. Cut your apple into bite size. Squeeze some lemon into your apples to avoid it getting brown. It also gives the apple a beautiful tongue. Apples and lemons are so rich in vitamins. Next, chop all your veggies and your garlic. And it's time to put together your healthy, colorful showstopper salad. Get your bowl and in no particular order, add your farfalle pasta, red lentils. I love lentils. They are very high in fiber, potassium, magnesium, iron, and many other rich nutrients. Add your green peas, veggies, garlic, add your fried sausage and all the oil in it. Add all your mixed spices, your parsley. Just repeat until you have it all in your bowl, then mix. Then mix in your mayonnaise, add a bit of white vinegar, mix and add it into your salad. Mix together and make sure it is well combined. Serve and garnish with slices of lemon and parsley. And there you have it. It's so good, from the protein to the carbohydrate to the veggies, the fruits. You can agree with me that this salad will nourish your body and put a smile on your face. Let me encourage you to recreate this recipe and keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Thank you.